Welcome to CHMER. I'm the Brad Wang, the General Manager here at CHMER. Today, I will be giving you an overview of who we are and what amazing product we can offer. Let's get started with the outline of this remarkable company. CHMER was founded in 1975 to produce die sinker EDM for mold making industry. We are a machine tool company and have been operating for 45 years. Our original focus was on cutting-edge EDM machine. By 1980, CHMER was the leader of EDM for the Taiwanese market since then. In the early 1990s, we expanded our operation, building 3 factories, one after another in China, to have a higher productivity. In 2009, we moved to the latest headquarters that sits on an area of a total 28,000 meters square for purpose of a global operation and R&D center. Up to this day, CHMER is the 5th largest EDM manufacturer in the world. At the heart of our business philosophy is integrity, growth, customer satisfaction, employee security. We would like to think the business philosophy is the cornerstone of our operation here. With this concept in mind, we gain confidence and motivate ourselves towards success. CHMER obtained 42 national awards over the past decade. We truly recognize CHMER's commitment to bring an awesome experience exceeding our customer expectations. The list of a wide range of national awards include outstanding management performance, technological innovation, and good design of our products, so on. We believe that without hard work and dedication of our employees, there is no way CHMER will be such successful. The original product line consisted of a die sinker, wire cut, drilling EDM. Afterward, the high-speed machine was produced. Since 2018, we developed a more holistic approach. Newest product, laser cutting machine and the electrochemical machine will release over this time. The technology is the core of CHMER. We have a staff of 40 working in R&D division. There are 14 here specialized in mechanical, electrical, mechatronic, software design. R&D team accounts 50% of employees in CHMER. Generally speaking, we devote 5% of our revenue to R&D effort, and this number may even increase. To this day, we continue to place emphasis on research and development activity to create over 50 patents. Indeed, it is their innovation that drive our company forward and set us apart. Let's move to the next production line. Take a look. This bright, spacious, air-conditioned production area makes the building a very pleasant workplace. It is also perfect for assembly of high-accuracy machine and super product assurance. Traditionally, it is so neat and tidy, thanks to lean systems have been maintained by our great team. We also implement a CPS manufacturing system. CPS can produce machines efficiently with the top quality, shorter delivery that fully satisfy all customer requirements. Quality delivery is the #1 driver for firm success. The final stage, testing, where the product is examined to whip out any defect. Our quality control inspects carefully and doesn't overlook any important detail on our product. It is the critical part of the process since everything less than 100% quality guarantee will damage our reputation.
Hi everyone, welcome to CHMER. In the area of large mold manufacture, what kind of machine will be suitable for customer? Let's listen to the customer's need. The machine is too big, cannot fit in the factory. Hope the machine accuracy will be good enough to use for long term. Can we have a popular machine appearance? Can we have a stable AWT to less the wire through time and less the cost for the consumable? All you need. I heard by CHMER professional R&D. 60 new patents in new generation of RV series will fix those problems in one time. The new generation of RV series brings customer with a sensitive design and gives the machine the sense of elegance. Also, embedded with 90-inch touchscreen control panel and LED work light for the operator. All ergonomics design will make your work easier. To achieve goal of no vibration, high accuracy, and high reliability, CHMER in-house linear motor drive system can do it for you. Compared with forceful drive, the maintenance is more easier with a longer lifespan. CHMER in-house linear motor drive system is your best choice. High energy efficiency water system. It's a smart water recirculation device with partitioned tank for the sedimentation and circulation. This stabilizes the water quality and reduces turbidity of the water tank and gives you extra 50% longer life of filter and use less consumable. IWA, Intelligent Working App, including 4 functions, combined with intelligent manufacturing automation to improve the processing efficiency. High-speed water supply and outlet function. The real-time control of water supply and outlet saves 1/3 time than the previous generation. Automatic water replacement function. With the intelligent sensing detection, the water valve will automatically open and admit water when this is less in the water tank. The intelligent liquid level control system. The function saves time 5 to 10 minutes of pre-processing each time, especially there are different cutting height in one process. Programmable sliding door. The function provides with the best safety and achieves automatic process. It can follow the liquid level and stop at any point to save time for loading and unloading. The most of the fast and stable AWT system, nearly 100% success through rate, attains unmanned operation. Loading in the break point or underwater, it's no need to return to the start point and waste time in draining and refilling water. Resetting the throttling mode according to the cutting condition for the continuous machining with the throttling assistance device. Throttling for high-thickness workpiece is no longer for troublesome. We have to say, this is most of stable AWT in the world. The standard is set up through specification of patents on RV series to perfection. We successfully fulfill the customer's need for the large world. All the functions. It's not only deal with the problem, but also it's the standard for the new generation machines. We do welcome everyone to have a wonderful experience with us.
Our RV series is not only designed with great appearance and highly researched structure, but requires smart control and a strong heart to show its perfect performance. RV series wildcard EDM is equipped with all new IA Plus power supply. The new power cabinet has a modular PCB design, which is easy to assemble and maintain. With a DC fan to enhance the cooling performance, it can maintain a stable machine temperature at high speed for continuous production without PCB problem. For constant machining accuracy, a stable power supply is vital. We build our own smart area power supply. Let's use a newly developed IVC high-frequency switching power supply. It provides a report voltage below 300 mV and conversion efficiency above 90%. The unstable external power can be changed to high precise internal power. for higher accurate machining. Innovative discharge circuit design. The discharge circuit for processing energy control transistor uses the high current type, the IGBT module design. Compared with the MOSFET type before, IGBT reduces the thermal effect and the transistor numbers to save the cost in the future maintenance. Compared with the resistor used before, to consume the heat and waste the energy. The ineffective energy is now directly used while machining. The IA Plus power supply not only saves 20% of energy, but also reduces indoor heat generation. It provides a stable working temperature for machining accuracy and saving energy in one time. We have the latest anti-wire blade function. It estimates the thickness of workpiece and changes the cutting data in time. The combination of software and hardware, when there is a step difference in processing to improve the machining efficiency, setting different sparking waveforms with the processing condition can increase the cutting efficiency on thick parts. CHMER fully self-developed controller shows our own impressive R&D capability and give the commitment of after service to users. The controller includes many functions such as 1. Preloaded with 50 sets of copper wire parameter selection. 2. Intelligent programming allows users to quickly start the production. 3. 3,999 hole data make the multi-hole information more complicated. Teaching newcomers is easier with less technical depth by our UI and conversational operation. Our professional R&D team provides the strongest development capability to customize the software and hardware for customer jobs.
Anyone is familiar with CHMER produced product or a new user can feel a significant increase in cutting speed. The new IA Plus power is like engine of an automobile, and how violent is the engine? Let's go to see how it does. Comparing to the previous G7 power supply, we can obviously to see a difference on the old and the new structure. With the new IA Plus power supply, with the work condition on the HRC 55 XKD11 steel at the 50mm thickness, we can obviously to see the cutting speed stability vary from 160mm square per minute up to 180mm square per minute. It's a 12% efficiency improvement if compared to the G7 power supply. Same work condition when we are doing at the 100mm thickness, we see the cutting stability vary from 105mm square per minute up to 120mm square per minute. It's a higher efficiency improvement, about 50% if compared to the older G7 power supply. It's an incredible experience to work on a high thickness job. We will say yes on new RV and the IA Plus power, the best match. On the RV wire cut, we can get the result an excellent 3 to 5 micrometer accuracy, along with a good 0.55 to 0.65 micrometer RA surface roughness on the thickness 30 to 100mm job. It's almost the same to work on the small size wire cut machine. Even we look at the 100 to 200mm job, it's still a good cut accuracy in 10 micrometer and just slightly reduced at 0.6 to 0.65 micrometer RA surface roughness also. And the most surprising things when doing at the thickness 200 to 400mm job, we can take a 15 to 90 micrometer accuracy, just a little pity. The surface roughness will down to 1.9 to 2.4 micrometer RA. However, it's not bad for user actually. Let's take a look at how the reduction of outer profile error, especially from line to arc segment in NC programming pass. A perfect country demo because of the combination of hardware, linear motor plus IA Plus power, and software W5F operation system. a smoothly machining pass, a small radius angle error which is be perfectly controlled in 1 to 2 micrometer accuracy. With a free and easy upgrading that we are almost forgotten, RV is a general size machine, amazing user experience. We have the conclusion about the radius corner error being well controlled in 3 micrometer, just like driving a 4-wheeler pickup, which overcomes all difficult NC programming paths. What a pleasure cutting experience to operator in it. We could see more proof from cutting demos. An excellent cutting result in 3 micrometer accuracy and the surface roughness in 0.46 micrometer RA. Another sample, we can see overall features like the high thickness, high accuracy, high cutting speed. It's almost forgotten it is not a small wildcard machine. After all, this RV is a Taiwan excellent gold medal awarded wildcard machine. Let's move it. Try it now. Challenge themselves beyond the limit. The incredible surface roughness 0.46 micrometer RA result could happen on a 30 to 50 mm single job. The user will crush on this RV wildcard. Want to develop how the potential of this RV wildcard does? What are you waiting for? Experience it for yourself.
The customers of RV series are mostly from the industries of aerospace, automobile, energy, and home appliances. Now let us check the prospects of these industries together. We will know the importance of RV series in the next few years. In the aerospace industry, the global commercial fleet is expected to reach 50,660 airplanes by 2038. About the regional markets, the Asia-Pacific region, which includes China, will continue to lead the way in the future growth. In the automobile industry, the global electric vehicle market is growing rapidly, and it is estimated that the ownership will reach 130 million in the next decade. The total sales of electric vehicle will increase from 2.5 million in 2020 to 31.1 million vehicles in 2030. In terms of the energy industry, IEA sees the offshore wind sector to become 1 trillion industry by 2040, with global capacity set for a 15-fold increase. Regarding the home appliance industry in the next 5 years, the smart home appliance market is predicted to achieve a compound annual growth rate of 16.5%, reaching 39.63 billion by 2024. With the data from each industry above, furthermore, we have to know the role of RV series in these industries on molds and parts processing. 80% of wire cut are used in mold manufacture, including press, progressive die, plastic injection, etc., according to the design for continuous and automatic mass production. For example, the oil pan, the transmission of cars, the TFT TV, fridge, or air conditioner in home appliances. Although part processing is only 20% in wire cut use, the application for it is literally no limitation. Only the workpiece has to be electricity conductive. Of course, the cutting speed and the accuracy are different from various material and require shapes. For instance, the turbo blades in aerospace industry and the transmission part of energy industry. Apparently, the market for large-size wire cut EDM is wide and huge. CHMER RV series will also lead the way with our customers forward.
Today, I want to introduce the conception of Industrial 4.0. Industrial 4.0 is about connecting the digital and the physical world today. From vision to implementation, it is how machines are infused with the intelligence. For the fourth industrial revolution, let's have a close look at it. What CHMER can do for you, and how did we get here? The brand new remote monitoring and ambient system provides all the information by portable devices when you are outside. The coding technology of the Intelligent Information Center is gathering all the machine data and build the machining history, daily, weekly, monthly, to create a big database. This system benefits your business, prolong the lifespan of your machine, reduce costs while increasing the production efficiency. How smart is the design? Let's go over the details. A factory manager can check out the working status of each machine, such as wildcard EDN and die-sinker EDN. No matter where these machines are, across the world like Vietnam, Thailand, they can be checked. A production operator can set up the programming online, review the temperature of the machine, water, and the environment, diagnose the outer problem, and get an idea of the lifetime of spare parts. We can analyze the idle working time in a certain period to increase the efficiency in production, not only by PC, but we also can download CHMER app on cell phone and tablet. Even if you are traveling, you have access to all the information that you want at any time. The RV series wildcard EDN are combined with the modern design, smart function, and optimized integration. That is the requirement for advanced manufacturing. The RV series wildcard EDN brings the user the most amazing experience to connect to the Industrial 4.0.
Brand spirit of CHMER is to build the best product for customers, to provide an awesome experience behind their expectation, to create a win-win value between the enterprise and the customer, committed to becoming a world-class leading brand in non-traditional processing solutions. CHMER offers you knowledgeable sales and product information whenever you need it. Our salespeople want to hear from you. They want to help you to make the best use of our product. Our 24-hour service and support is unmatched in the industry. We also provide you customized service. Our sales technician, R&D engineer work together to meet your requirement completely. We are trusted for our flexible design capability and allow us to provide you accurate, fast, extremely cost-effective solution.
冲压机器它的加工精度要求比塑胶模具、比其他的锻造的那一些要求都高很多。你要把冲压的模具做到很好的时候，线切割机就扮演着决定性的角色。我们有一些特殊的要求，会跟庆隆这边来做研讨，该怎么去改良。然后庆隆公司也给我们很好的回应，而且我们回应之后也得到很好的结果，提供给客户的产品啊，他们去量测啦，他们去使用，也完全都符合他们的需要，所以这才是最重要的。
长谷川的东西是非常精密，所以在这个领域做得出来，甚至别的行业绝对是没有问题。加上你的人员专业度，这个都是我长期一直都用庆鸿，没有用其他厂商的设备。最大的原因就是我觉得它稳定性够。我对庆鸿我是可以信赖的，它的经营理念、它的经营方向一直都是对，一直都朝很正面的方向。它在这个领域的专业绝对是不断持续的提升，这个是我看得到的，所以我才会对庆鸿这么有信心。
CHMER product has been sold through the global sales network with a 90 representation in over 55 countries around the world. CHMER has delivered more than 25 machines over the past 45 years.